Hi guys, this is my MacBook Pro. Um, I was working on it the other day because I use it for work, and it suddenly turned off by itself, and now it won't turn on. I try this, won't happen. I charge it, but I don't know if you guys can see. Like there's like a flashing light. I don't know what's going on, and I really need this. I'm gonna DJ a party and my music isn't here. I'm so stressed out about this. If you guys know what to do, please comment below and um, I'll try whatever you guys say. Alright, thanks. Peace out.